Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2004 Harley Davidson Road King Police. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2004 Harley Davidson Road King Police with 32,248 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with aftermarket spark plug wires and fender lamp trim. Powered by an 88 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Road King puts 67 horsepower and 81 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 5-gallon fuel capacity, the Road King has a 175 to 210 mile range. It has a 27.3 inch seat height and an 848 pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds and the rear at 530 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the rubber bushing from the left muffler is worn out and causes a rubber squeaking noise when running. Additionally, there is a front brake pulsation. We posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint chip on the fuel tank, and corrosion on the saddlebag guards. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased the Cycle Checks vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.